Hey guys, Terry here. Hey, I got something in the mail today and I wanted to share it with you. And I wanted to ask everybody how they're doing. This is about week 2. We live in Ohio, so this was week 2 of our lockdown. We're seeing a lot of good things. I see neighbors being really caring about each other, and I see families doing stuff together. So hopefully this is bringing everybody closer together in this terrible time. I think we haven't seen the numbers go up of the sickness yet, but hopefully we're doing what we can to flatten the curve, as they say. So I'm trying to keep my spirits up. This is my monthly cherry box from the company Cherry on Top. And I'll have links on my website to this available from the Cherry Box. So they're out of Michigan, and I know I've gotten emails from other Michigan companies that they are starting their lockdown and may not be able to ship stuff. So this came out, but it probably was shipped before they were on their lockdown. So I just say be patient with companies and play with the products that you have. I think we all could use those wise words. Here's what came in the April box. Of course, they wrap it in tissue paper, so it's like you're opening a present. You know what gets us. So this box is kind of neat. You don't know what you're getting. They usually have a variety of inks and maybe a marker or two, and then some embellishments. So here is a Spectrum Noir. These are the ones with all the different colors inside the same marker. So you can see it's got 3 different colors here. A light orange, a more red orange, and then a very reddish color there. It's called the Orange Blend. It's handy they're in the same marker so that you've got everything that blends well together. I don't like the feel of the marker. It's very big and bulky. It also doesn't fit in cases that you may have for your other markers. So I'll probably play with this one. So that's cool. I love the Distress Oxides, and this one is Tattered Rose. I think I need to start doing an inventory because I have about 12 of these now. See which ones I have and which ones I don't. Here's some cute Easter tape. Isn't that pretty? That's really cute. I see some other Easter stuff here. Look at these little cute guys. Wouldn't that be fun? That'd be make the cute bookmarkers or pages in your planner. Back when we started putting stuff on our planners again. Oh, these are cute. They made a little paper clip with a bow, and then some little, I don't know if it's watercolor paper, or they just cut apart some, looks like they maybe had a 12 by 12 page and cut it up and gave everybody a little sampling. Doesn't say the company on it. That's really cute though. Could color those and put them on the fronts of cards. Good for springtime. I think we're all ready for spring. Enamel dots and some Easter colors. That matches good with the washi tape that came. And then some more ephemera. This one's from Echo Park. Frames and tags. Really cute colors. This one is a My Mind's Eye journaling cards. So these are good for the fronts of cards, or also in Project Life, or just putting them on 12 by 12 page layouts too. It's nice to have a spot to journal on. Looks like these colors are very Easter-like too. Very springy. And there is an embossing folder. It's called Floral 4x4 stamp. Oh, is it an embossing folder or a stamp? Let's see here. First I thought it would, from the feel of it, it felt like a embossing folder. But it is a stamp. Isn't that fun? So it's just a 4x6 stamp. Really fun. Cool. I could see coloring that with different colors and then stamping it on a page. And this is a big paper pack, 32 pages. A Case of the Blahs, Fresh Pink Studio. Let's flip through this one. Doesn't look very colorful from the front. And that's the yellow in it. Theirs aren't working. Oh, so there's some little dots, blues, florals. A Case of the Blahs. It would be so nice if something made sense for a change. Yes, no, maybe. Cute. Very geometric. Oh, I love this print. This might be a good pack for the like that Christmas card that I did where it had black and white and then some side colors. Really fun. And it repeats. So cute pack of paper. Oh, and then some fun Easter stickers. Those are cute. So that's what's in this month's cherry box. I'm trying to think of what else is going on. Oh, Monday is my last day at work, so that's fun. I can't wait. Steve and I are retiring this year, and we look forward to having a fun springtime. We're going to travel when all the travel bans stop. We'll start traveling again. We had plans for Aruba and Branson, Missouri, and I was going to pop down to Florida to see my folks. So hopefully we can do that later in the year. But here's what all came in the box. So, stickers and the marker. So thanks, guys. I hope you enjoyed seeing what came in the cherry box. And like I said, this video will have a link to my website, and it'll have links to their information. Thanks, guys.